In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put Nintendo Switch pictures on your phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the most convenient way to transfer all of your pictures and videos that you have on your Nintendo Switch's storage to a mobile device. You will be able to do this completely wirelessly, so this is a feature that was introduced some years ago, and all that you have to do is make sure that your Switch is ready. So from the home menu, go over to Album, and you will be able to find the screenshot or video captures that you want to transfer. In there, all that you have to do is choose Sharing and Edit, and then one of the options is going to be Send to Smartphone or Send to Smart Device. You will be able to select to send only a specific picture or video, or choose from a batch of pictures and videos that you have saved. So choose either of those options, and now you will have to actually connect to a specific network that is going to link the Nintendo Switch and your smartphone. So a QR code is going to be displayed on screen. All that you have to do is scan the first QR code with your smartphone, and by doing this, you will be connected to the Nintendo Switch's network. With this step done, you just have to scan the other QR code. A web browser will open, and you will have the option to manually download a specific picture or video that you have selected. If you have selected multiple, you will be able to download all of them at once as well. And once it is downloaded, it will be saved into your smart device's storage. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many pictures or videos as you have. So in summary, you go over to your album, you find the specific picture or video that you want to transfer, and remember that you can send multiple in a batch. Once you open, press A to go into Sharing and Editing, and then select Send to Smartphone, which should be the second option. Afterwards, tap OK, scan the QR codes, make sure that your mobile device is connected to the same network as your Nintendo Switch, and then you will be redirected into a web page where you can download those pictures and videos. I hope I was able to help you on how to put Nintendo Switch pictures on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.